Hello everyone. We have the Chihuahua Copilot and we are ready to try and fix all the problems that happened when upgrading to 2022.2. So you can see that it's there. So we have two problems right now. One is our pointer particle effect is no longer working as it used to. As you can see, there's a purple square. Also, when we're pulling out our animator, it's not quite working correctly. As you can see, our character's no longer moving. He's kind of just stuck. And I think that's because something has happened to the animator part of our script. So we got to work on that. But that's basically it. So the animator's code. So there's a piece of code that changes out the animator or the escort. Probably where I want to start. And we'll go from there. Because we have this like random avatar piece. And then we have this enable random game object. So one of these is enabled and then all the others are not. We also have the character and the animator, and then the parent of that, there should be something that does a projectile spawn on timer, escort display controller avatars. So this guy right here. Now, I think set animator of the selected avatar. Yeah, so it selects one and then sets it. And these are all the animators that are in there. And each one of these animators is connected to one of these characters. There, and there. However, they no longer start animating when we start the game up. And that's new as of the upgrade. It used to work before this. So, all right, so the Demon Lord is set up. We have the controller, we have the avatar. We have basically the different pieces of him. A lot of enemies there. Yeah, so the avatar should have been fine. Where is our animator? It's our animation controller. Yep. Demon Lord display. Oh yeah, and then here's the full animator. Animation events, escort hits enemy. And so this could be something to do with our keyboard movement. So let's try this again. So oh, we just want it to load the same scene, not level 2. So we're gonna have to fix that. Okay, so keyboard movement is in here. We're telling it to set a destination. Gonna pull up Yeah, that might be worth changing now. So on the you lose, let's just make sure that when we lose, we can just restart instead. Event load next level. And so we have the HUD canvas, the dialog manager, event load next level, and we are just going to populate that with Survivor 1. All right, so now when we die, it should just pop up with the same level, and we just keep debugging. Let's just double check and make sure. Yeah, our animation events are just not coming in. All right, while we wait for that to happen. Okay, so we set the destination. We tell it to look at that target. We got player movement, inputs, sampling the direction. Why? Let's see. So inside scripts, we had characters. We had the AI character control, the third person character control, and this is the one that's supposed to be giving us our animations. One reference, update animator here. And then 4 references, move, AI character control. So that's why the AI is still moving. Third person user control. Third person character, fixed update. So do we have a third person character control? I don't think we do. Level 2 cannot be. Huh, I thought we fixed that. Alrighty. Oh, event. Oh, interesting. Yeah, okay. So both of those need to be in there. All right. So third person user control, I don't think is in here, right? Third person character control. Person user control. All right, let's just try that. So we might have accidentally deleted it in the large series of deletions. Yeah, there we go. All set. That's looking pretty good. The stiletto in there. What is going on with those like weird particle explosions near the screen? That must be related to something else. That snow ground looks good with all the lighting though. Yeah, that was weird. Okay, so our dot. All right, well first let's save this because this is good. Bam. So we're gonna say something like character animator now runs properly. Yep. Good. And blah blah blah. Okay, so the standard asset stuff now works. The other piece of it is the pointer. I forget. That must be on the weapon itself. So prefabs, player weapon skull. Yeah, we have that play a ragdoll thing. That was fun. Blade, handle. Here's the rig cast to ground thing. Yeah, cube. Point. Let me think here. So it doesn't show up, but then we go here and it does. Pause. All right, so what is this thing named? So this thing I thought would have our, that's where it goes. Core particle system. Yeah, this guy. Okay. And then core small. Alrighty, so in here, wondering if we can just focus on it a little bit. Maybe let's go 0, 0, 0. Double click. Okay, hang on. Okay. That does look correct. What in the world? Okay, so our fire looks okay. So what is making the purple thing? Handle. Oh. What in the world? His eyes? That still doesn't make any sense. Oh, okay. So 2022.2 probably ground orb particles. Fire trail, no. Sear, no. Subtle. Left eye, right eye. Okay, so this thing is a billboard. So hidden internal error shader. Standard. Oh, bam. Well, I wonder what the shader was in the past. Seems to be working okay now. Except what is the next error shader? So if I searched error here, would it give me anything with an error? Nope. Okay, so that's not going to give us anything. This has weapon handle. What the heck is that? Does it still work? totally doesn't work. All right, well, we should probably delete that. Okay, so the weapon handler, sweep target for hits, fire trail, ground objects, the core, which has that shader and that shader, handle graphic trail. Nope. Same thing. Where is that? Standard material, standard material. Yeah, that's all good. Stored. Yeah, so we have the thing on him. Okay, so let's stop the game. We will go back into the display. In the handle, we've got the core here, which should be working properly. Should be working properly. Yep. The skull's eyes, left eye and right eye. We're just gonna go ahead and maybe open. Left eye is a standard shader, standard shader. It's gonna be a crypto shader. We don't need the pumpkins. The raycast to ground, I thought. Okay, so blade. So hinge joint and inventory stuff. Oh, we're so close. All right, what about the cube? Does the cube have anything? That's just a cube is to help with the spinning. Okay, what is this? There's an opaque shader on the hand. I guess just in case. Okay, running it again. And what is it that is... All right, I'm gonna pause the game. Look down here. All right, so... Pause again. Let's see, I'm gonna Google find thing in Unity using error shader. The default error shader. Search scene for default error shader. Alrighty. I just don't know what that is on the ground. So if we delete that and then unpause it, it's still there. Okay. All right, so like right here. Aha, mouse tracker inside the HUD canvas. Boom. So it's standard. Oh. It's like bright green. And then cut out. And bam. All right, let's go. Mouse tracker. Oh, yeah, I liked that change, huh? Emission, bam. Let's give it some green. Radioactive green. Cut out. Hey, I think we did it. We did what we set out we were gonna do. All right, so we're moving properly. Our mouse is being tracked. You can definitely see what's going on here. We're running properly. And I think we're back to what we had pre 2022.2 upgrade. So yeah, thanks for watching. Come back next time. Give the Chihuahua some love. And yeah, we'll see you in a bit. Bye, everybody.